Hey, future billionaires, welcome to Billionaire Brain, where we turn everyday info into real wealth moves. Let's talk about something that stresses a lot of people out: credit scores. Today, we're breaking down how to fix and build your credit score fast, even if you're starting from scratch or working with bad credit. We're diving into free credit reports, disputing inaccuracies, authorized trade lines, Experian Boost, and the biggest credit secrets wealthy people use. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's get that billionaire brain working for you. First things first, you can't fix what you don't know is broken. Step 1 is getting a clear picture of your credit history. Head over to annualcreditreport.com and get your free credit report from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Each bureau might have different information, so it's crucial to check all three. Look for late payments, collections, errors, and old debts that should have fallen off after 7 years. You've got your credit reports and spotted some inaccuracies. Maybe it's a collection account you already paid off, or a debt so old it should be collecting dust. Dispute any inaccuracies by writing a formal letter to each credit bureau or filing a dispute online. We've got a free credit dispute letter template linked below. Send it certified mail and wait for their response. By law, they have 30 days to verify the disputed information. If they can't, they have to remove it from your report, potentially boosting your score by dozens of points. Let's talk about a secret weapon: authorized user trade lines. An authorized user trade line is when someone with excellent credit adds you to their credit card account. You don't get a physical card, but their positive credit history gets reflected on your report. It's a game changer, especially if you're building or rebuilding credit. You can find reputable vendors online that offer trade lines for a fee. Do your research, read reviews, and choose a trusted platform. You're already paying bills every month: rent, utilities, phone bill, maybe even Netflix. Tools like Experian Boost let you connect your bank accounts and add those on-time payments to your credit report. Look into banks like Chime and Kickoff, which offer credit builder accounts. You don't need a traditional credit card to prove you're good with money, you just need to work the system. Hard versus soft inquiries: what they are and why they matter. There are two types: soft pulls and hard pulls. Soft pulls have zero impact on your credit score. Hard pulls can cause a slight dip in your score and occur when you officially apply for a loan, apartment, or credit card. Limit hard inquiries to 1 or 2 every 6 months. Credit Karma and Experian have tools to monitor soft pulls and simulate score changes. The billionaire mindset: how the wealthy view credit. Wealthy people approach credit differently, using credit cards strategically to earn rewards and paying balances in full every month. They leverage business credit to protect their personal credit. Good credit unlocks lower interest rates, better insurance premiums, and more financial freedom. They build credit with a strategy, not out of desperation. A good credit score isn't just a number, it's a ticket to a world of opportunities. Alright, future billionaires, that was a crash course in credit repair and building the right way. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your current credit score, and what's your credit goal by the end of the year? Check the description for all the resources I mentioned, including the free credit dispute letter template, links to Experian Boost and Chime, and my personal recommendations for credit builder accounts. This is Billionaire Brain, where we don't just dream about wealth, we build it, one smart move at a time.